If your TradingView chart looks confusing or messy, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up TradingView for day trading.
Let's get started.
How to search a stock on TradingView. First, open your browser, go to your search bar, type tradingview.com and press enter. Once the TradingView homepage loads, look at the chart on the front page. At the top of that chart, click on the symbol selector. From there, select Stocks and you will see a list of available stock options you can choose from. Another quick way is to type the stock symbol directly into the search box. For example, type AAPL for Apple. You can click on the overview to see details, or select Launch Chart to open the full chart immediately. You can also return to the homepage, click on Markets, then select Stocks. Here, you will find categories like US stocks, large cap stocks, top gainers, and top losers. For example, selecting large cap stocks and clicking JP Morgan Chase will load its chart, where you can open the full chart easily. Finally, while already on a chart, click the search icon, ensure Stocks is selected, type the symbol, and open the chart instantly. How to change timeframes in TradingView for beginners. Changing timeframes in TradingView helps you see the market from different perspectives. Each timeframe shows price movement in a unique way, which helps you understand structure, trend, and timing better. On your chart, the first way to change timeframes is by using the timeframe drop-down menu at the top of the chart. Click on it and you will see multiple options, such as 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. For example, click 15 minutes, and your chart will immediately switch to the 15-minute timeframe. If you open the menu again and select 4 hours, the chart updates to the 4-hour view. Another faster method is using your keyboard. To switch to 5 minutes, type 5 and press enter. To go to 1 hour, type 1 hour and press enter. Changing timeframes updates all chart data at once. How to zoom in and out in TradingView. To zoom in, simply use your mouse wheel and scroll up while your cursor is on the chart. This brings you closer to price movement. To zoom out, scroll your mouse wheel down and the chart will zoom out. If you want more precision, hold the Control key on your keyboard and scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in further. This is very useful when you want to draw a resistance level and need to see the exact price area clearly. To zoom out again, keep holding Control and scroll your mouse wheel down. Another way to zoom is by using the time scale at the bottom of the chart. Drag it forward to zoom in and drag it backward to zoom out. This method helps when you want to focus on a specific section of the chart or see the bigger picture. Proper zooming helps you spot key levels and patterns easily. Beginners often zoom in too much and lose market context. Zooming out regularly helps you understand the overall trend and make better trading decisions. TradingView allows you to change how your candles are displayed on the chart. You can easily control the way price looks depending on your trading style. All you need to do is click the Chart Style drop-down menu at the top of your screen. Once you click it, you will see different options like bar charts, candlesticks, hollow candles, volume candles, line charts, Heikin-Ashi, and more. If you select bar charts, you will notice price forming as simple bars. If you switch to candlesticks, you will clearly see the open, high, low, and close, which makes it easier for beginners to understand price action. If you choose line charts, they hide many important details and only show the closing price. Heikin-Ashi smooths price movement and helps you spot trends more easily. Changing styles does not change the market, it only changes how it looks. How to clean up your TradingView charts. Let's say your chart is messy, filled with lines, a moving average, and a volume indicator, and you want everything to look clean again. There are several ways to fix this quickly. First, you can right-click on the chart. Click Remove 3 Drawings, and all your lines disappear immediately. You can also click Remove 2 Indicators to clear the moving average and volume together. Another method is deleting them one by one. For example, right-click the moving average and select Remove. Do the same for the volume indicator. You can always press Ctrl-Z to undo if needed. For drawings like horizontal lines, simply right-click each line and remove them individually. You can also use the indicator's name and click the delete icon beside each tool. A clean chart improves focus and decision-making. Keep it simple. See you in the next video. How to reset your chart in TradingView is very simple. Resetting your chart removes trend lines, drawings, and indicators so you can focus clearly on price action. First, if you have any object on your chart, like a box or trend line, just right-click on it and select Remove. That item will disappear immediately. You can do the same thing for horizontal lines or any drawing you added by mistake. Another easy method is to look at the bottom left corner of your chart. You will see options like Remove One Drawing, Remove Drawings, or Remove Drawings and Indicators. If you click Remove One Drawing, it removes the last object you placed. If you want everything gone at once, select Remove Drawings and Indicators. You can also remove indicators individually by right-clicking on them, such as the volume indicator, and clicking Remove. Once done, your chart returns to a clean default view. How to save your chart layout in TradingView. Saving a chart layout allows you to keep your work, keep your analysis, and return to it anytime you want. So, after setting up your chart, maybe you have a line here, a horizontal line here, and another one here. And you want to save this exact setup. All you need to do is to go to the drop-down menu at the top, click on it, then look for the Save option. Once you click Save, that chart layout is stored and you can come back to it anytime. Now, if you make adjustments to the chart, you will need to save again. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Another easier option is to enable autosave. Just open the same drop-down menu and turn on autosave, and every change you make will be saved automatically. How to add a moving average to your TradingView chart is very simple, especially for beginners. To add it, go to the top of your chart and click on Indicators. In the search box, type Moving Average and select the simple moving average from the list. Once selected, close the search box and the moving average will appear on your chart. Next, click on the settings icon of the moving average. In the Input section, you will see the default value set to 9. If you change this value to 50, you will notice the line becomes smoother and reacts less to small price movements. In the Style section, you can change the color of the line and increase the thickness to make it clearer. After adjusting, click OK. When price is above the moving average, the market is bullish. When price is below it, the market is bearish. This makes trend direction easier to understand.